In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete folders in Canva. If your project's area is getting cluttered, cleaning out old folders is a quick way to stay organized. I'll walk you through it clearly and simply, and share a few practical tips to avoid mistakes along the way. Start on your main dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you first open Canva. On the left-hand side, look for the Projects option in the sidebar and click it. Projects is where all your designs, uploads, and folders live, so this is the best place to manage and clean things up. From here, you can locate the folder you want to delete in two easy ways. First, use the search bar at the top to type the folder's name. This is ideal if you know exactly what you're looking for. Second, if you're browsing and want to narrow things down, adjust the type filter to show only folders. You'll usually find this filter near the top of the page. Switching the filter to folders hides designs and other items so you're only seeing the folders themselves, which makes scanning much faster. Once you see the folder you want to remove, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice a three-dot icon appear, sometimes called the More Options or Kebab menu. Click that three-dot icon. In the menu that opens, look for the Delete option and select it. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to confirm that you want to delete. If so, confirm to complete the action. A couple of quick notes to keep you safe and efficient. Make sure you're deleting the correct folder, especially if it has a similar name to others. If you don't see the delete option, it could be because you don't have permission to delete that folder, such as with certain shared or team folders. In that case, check your access level or confirm that you're working with a folder you own. If your search doesn't find the folder right away, try a shorter part of the name, or switch on the folder's filter to reduce visual clutter. Also, hovering precisely over the folder card or list item is what reveals the three-dot menu. If it doesn't appear, move your cursor over the folder thumbnail or name until it does. And that's it. From the main dashboard, go to Projects, find your folder using the search bar or the folders filter, hover to reveal the three dots, and click Delete. With those steps, you can quickly keep your Canva workspace tidy and focused on what matters.